Here's something you don't see every day. It's a kid's cast iron bench. I completely refurbished this thing. It was in horrible shape. I'll show you what the old wood looked like. Right there's the old rotten wood that was in it, what's left of it. Like I say, this thing is cast iron. You can see the intricate design on it. The back of it has a insert with animals on it. I found this at the scrap yard. It's a really neat find. The wood in it, I made a lot thicker than the original. It's super heavy duty now. It is the cutest little thing though. It only stands about 12 inches off the floor. I think it is a really neat little item. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I just wanted to show you what I had come into recently.